Finally, we have a green box for the market. So, is this a fake out or a real reversal and the market just bottomed down and ready to enter a bullish trend? We're gonna discuss this and we're gonna discuss AV stocks is jumping and squeezing because it's major fundamental news. We're gonna discuss them right now. Let's start with NEO, of course. So we have something really interesting. CT analysts slashed NEO stock price target by 53%. Just after 11 days, they have a target for $87. Last June 30th, 2020, they raised the price from the 58 to 72. And lastly, we have on June 10th, they have the price on 87 price target, and June 21 they lowered the price from 87 to 41. A lot of people say they don't know what they actually saying, because if we saw what's happening, we have really good fundamental news for NEO, which is factory number one is back to pre-COVID level, plus the opening of new park in the third quarter of the year. Interesting fundamental news that will affect the price, of course, for NEO, because if we go on the technical, we saw that NEO is jumping pretty nicely because we jumped from this ascending line, and we predicted that the price will enter a bullish trend the moment that we broke this area around the 27th of May or beginning of June, and we still held above this ascending line here around the 10th of June after the earning. So we have a good earning, as you can see it here, and the price went up even with this fundamental news. So last time we talked about NEO, what we said, we have an important target to confirm this bullish trend. We said that $26.23 is the turning point and entering bullish trend. So what's going on? So to confirm this bullish trend continuation, we have to overcome the 26.23. If we hold above the 26.23, this will confirm that we are already bottomed down around the 11, and the price is ready to confirm to go around the price analyst target, which is, as we said here, around the 41. For my opinion, for the technical will be around the 43. So the target will be the 43 for this year if we overcome the 26. For MULN as well, we have interesting news for MULN regarding the fundamental, because if you can see here, we have a strong buy for the technical wise. Thing about MULN, we have a nice important fundamental as well. We have delivery scheduled to begin in this quarter, and we have a Fortune 500 company revealed. And the third thing, we have a battery test updated. And the fourth thing, MULN 5-tour driving event scheduled to begin in August, and the listing on the Russell Index. And this will be a bonus item originally, not part of the Q2 updates. And the sixth thing is a major fundamental price movement for MULN is the news about the OEM negotiation. So bonus item originally, not part of the Q2 as well. So we have a nice important fundamental news for MULN regarding this year. That's why the price jumping right now 15%. And last time we talked about MULN, we talked about this support, and we said if we held this support above the $1, because you see it is important ascending line, we said this will confirm doing higher lows here. Last time was around February, and the next time was around the 16th of May, and this will confirm doing higher lows and parabolic price up if we held the $1. With this, the last update for MULN on our Patreon and last update that we did on YouTube the 13th of June, we talked about this reaction from MULN holding this ascending line. This will confirm that we do lower highs, and we're gonna test the $1.55 the next time we hold above this ascending line. And that's what happened precisely. We held above the 13th of June. The next day, 14th of June, we exploded, and right now testing the $1.54 or the $1.55, which is the resistance. If we go in 1 hour chart, you see we still have a wick and still didn't close above this resistance. So what we should confirm for MULN, we need to hold above this ascending line to confirm breaking for the resistance and going for the $2.16 squeeze. For my opinion, will be the turning point for MULN because we have our exponential average. If we overcome it, we confirm that we enter a bullish trend again, have another squeeze like happened in the 10th of March. Everybody knows that the price went until almost the $4 before give up and went down. So the $2.16 will initiate another squeeze for MULN. Maybe next time we're gonna have the price go until the $7.80. However, we need to overcome the $2.16 first. Great news for our trader and viewers. So we have summer exclusive here on Momo. You can get up to 10 free stocks. One of them is Apple, and the other stocks you can win Fuel Cell Energy, AMC, of course. We have Tesla and Google. The stocks were from $3 up to $2,500, which is start from June 9th until June 30th. So this will be limited offer with my exclusive link in comment section below. So we get a lot of questions. How can I get free stock at Momo? First, you open a brokerage account. Okay, and second, you just deposit $100 in order to get one free stock value between $8 up to $2,500. So use this opportunity before the month ends and get your free stock with my exclusive link in comment section below, or notification will pop up here. So let's go back and discuss AMC. AMC, it held our ascending line. As we said, we want to confirm this is the bottom that happened around the 13th of May, and we're still holding this technical level, which is doing higher lows and holding above this ascending line. That's why today is still holding above the 12, and the next time we have the price overcome the 16, we're gonna have a squeeze, and the price will go next time to test the 23.30. The next one we have Gamestop is a bit strong than AMC because today is 5% up, and we have double bottom around the 117. So the 100 is psychological level and still holding it, and my alert, it didn't trigger. You see here around the 112, and the price didn't trigger. Right now I wait for the 157 to trigger. When we overcome this resistance, we're gonna have the price jump and test for the next resistance. For my opinion, this will be the squeeze area for Gamestop, which is the 200 mark, because last time we got rejected before the 200 around the end of March. So this is after 3 months of kind of consolidating down. Right now we might be ready to enter a bullish trend for Gamestop. After 3 months, test this resistance. We might be ready to overcome this resistance. If we hold above it and never get rejected, we're gonna have the 340 next time if we overcome the 200. Let me just go to ATR because it's really interesting in big picture. You can look here. We have a kind of stopped downtrending around this ascending line as well, because last time we tested on May 2020, and the second time here around 2022 in March. And at the moment we still hold above this ascending line, the $2.30. So for my opinion for ATR, if you wait for a squeeze for ATR, just put notification around the $4, because the next time we overcome the $4, this will be the first initiation for the squeeze. If we held above the $4, the squeeze area, like for Gamestop, is around the 200. For ATR will be around the $7, because if we overcome the $7, we're gonna have the price go until the $11.70. Just mark this price up and just put notification like I always do on TradingView. So when the price trigger, you just initiate the trade without even thinking, because you already did the analysis. That's why I will never miss any trade, because opportunity come, have to seize it. This is is how we do in our hunter channel. We hunt for the price. We let the price come to us. We never run after the price. This will be a trap. The new trader trap is always running after the price. This is not institution and insiders do. They let the price come to them and they know the price value for any stocks, and that's what we do on our Patreon and our hunter channel. If you're new here, press the like button and notifications so you never miss any of my future daily update for stocks and crypto, and see you in the next video.